Hello everyone, welcome to the Bikerz. I'm Neeraj and today we are going to talk about another seat that we have fitted on a Royal Enfield classic motorcycle. Previously we have shown you different seats that we have fitted, like Kabir Singh. We have fitted a Harley Davidson seat on the classic motorcycle. Today the seat that we have fitted is called the Big Boss seat. As you can see, this seat does not have the springs that come in the stock seat. The reason for the removal of those springs is it has got thick cushion. The cushion is very thick, and as you can see, the top part, it's like a bucket, so you can also call it a bucket seat. The best part about this seat is people who wish to ride long and they don't want to keep a pillion rider with them, or say they don't want a longer seat like these. They can easily fix this seat on their motorcycle and they can go for a long ride with much more ease. If you like it and if you want to buy it, we are putting the link of Amazon in the description. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Ride hard and ride safe. Cheers.